So guys, we are making over $108,000 USDT in numbers, and we are using just 13K dollars to make at least this particular profit. And you want to know how you can actually make this profit, and you are a beginner for trading, I'm going to be sharing with you this particular strategy in this video. So stick to this video, watch to the end, and you're going to be learning a lot about this particular trade. All right, for those of you guys that is their first time actually coming across this kind of videos, well, punch the subscribe button or punch the follow button, comment how much you lost in the forex market, and don't forget to click on the sign button to actually notify anytime I post a video like this. So for those of you guys that is actually a beginner in forex trading, you want to make massive profit and you want to actually go in and make at least $1 million, $10,000, I will assure you that you are looking in a wrong part of market. Well, your mindset is all about gambling, but gambling is not a part of the forex trading. A lot of professionals won't tell you this, but I'm going to be telling you this for free. If you want to make massive profit, well, first of all, for those of you guys that have lost so much money in forex market, well, I'm here to actually help you out to recover in account management. So if you are interested in account management, go to my bio right now. If you're watching from YouTube, if you're watching from TikTok, go to my bio, click the link on my bio, join our free Telegram channel, and message the admin for account management. I'm going to be recovering all your losses and we're going to be making massively globally in your forex market. All right. So if you're actually going into market to make millions, you are looking in a path of wrong aspect. You need to go into market understanding that you are going to take profit, but not any exact amount. All right. Because in forex market, you always make mistakes trying to go there to make a millions, but it's not how it works. Market trading is not a gambling. People that designed it want to make you to seem like it's a gambling, but it's not a gambling. So if you're actually going into market to gamble, please withdraw back and think about your life first before you go into market. And for those of you guys that always go into markets with your feeding money, capital, your house loans, and every other thing, well, I will advise you free of charge, don't. All right, if you're a beginner in forex trading, don't, because you don't know what you are going there to do. You always still end up blowing your account in the forex market. So come out and I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can become profitable and offer you account management in every sizes. All right, so if you're earning equity of $100 up, come to my DM in my free Telegram channel, join our free Telegram channel by linking the link on my bio and follow the admin, message me right away. And don't forget to like, comment, share this video to as many as you can. I will be dropping videos like this every season of the day, so don't forget to follow for more videos like this. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next video. Thank you so much.